Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well this week. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk where we keep you up to date on the latest Scholars Sports and Athletics. My name is John and here's what will be on the lineup from November 23rd to November 30th. Leading off with high school, there are only 3 items on the Scholars Athletics schedule this week. On Monday, November 24th, the girls basketball team will have an away game at 4:30, followed by the boys basketball game at 5. To close it off, the cheer team will have practice in the gym starting at 7 a.m. Moving on to middle school athletics for the week. All athletics for the week will be held on Monday, the 24th of November, with the first sport being girls volleyball, a playoff game at 10 a.m., followed by a girls volleyball practice at 3. To wrap things up for middle school athletics, co-ed soccer practice will be held in the gym also starting at 3. That will be all for Scholars Athletics this week, but make sure to stay up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholars Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel, checking out psal.org, and looking at our calendar under the school landing page, scholarsnyc.com, so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with the Scholars Sports throughout the season. That's it for the sports report this week. I'm John, and I'll see you next time.